Hello and welcome back to Sequence Designs. It's Charles. Today we're going to be looking at how we can easily design a vector halftone. So without much further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is to make a circle. So we'll click on this ellipse tool and make a circle. So now go to the gradient and change the circle. Let's change it from this color gradient to black and white. Change the appearance into radian. Then we will make another point over here, a slide point. So then we'll change this last one to white. So you double click on it and change it to white. Then you said okay, you will come back to this middle one and increase this color. Good, perfectly okay. You close it. So now we will have to go to effect, pixelate, then color halftone. You just copy my configurations like this: 30, 30, 30, 30, or you can even say 45, 45, 45, 45. Then you said okay, good. Now go on object, rasterize, and say okay. Now go back to object, image trace, make and expand. Then click on OK. Wait for it to process. Now double click on this white background to remove it away. You delete it off. Then zoom closely to also remove the white background that is hidden over here. Click on it and delete it away. Check it and delete all the white backgrounds away in case this white background separate like this. Now click over here to go back. Then select the entire thing and use the eyedropper tool to click on this color you kept here ever since. You can also configure your color if you want it configured the way you want it, but I kept these colors here. But I kept this color like this because I love this one, and you can also change the color if you want to. Now use the eyedropper tool while the whole shape is selected, then click on it, then boom, you're done. This is how simple you can design a vector halftone in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.